Hey there, drone fans. Today I'm outside testing the gesture control feature on the brand new DJI Neo 2 drone. Now this feature is incredibly cool because it allows you to control the position of the drone in 3D space with nothing more than your palm. You don't need your phone, you don't need the controller, all you need is the drone and your palm. Now this feature is inside the spotlight mode, so the first thing you'll do when you put it in the spotlight mode is you'll have to turn on the gesture control, and when you do that, there's a little tutorial. It's like 4 or 5 screens that you have to walk through, showing you how to actually control it. And you'll start off by holding your fist up and then opening it up so your palm is visible to the camera, and then the drone's gonna track your palm. So if you want it to move this way, you'll slide it left and right. You can go up, you can elevate, and you can descend. You can also put up 2 hands, pull them apart, and the drone will fly away from you. Put them together and the drone will fly towards you. So I can't wait to test this feature because it's essentially a selfie drone, which means I can take the drone with me pretty much anywhere and capture the footage I need. I don't need a phone or a controller to actually position it in the sky. So let's get started. I've got it in spotlight mode right now, and I'll launch it.
Spotlight. Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. All right, so spotlight mode is great. It's gonna follow me, keep me in the frame wherever I am. And now we'll try the gesture control. So let me move over here. I'll hold up my fist first, then I'll open my palm. See how it flew back? So it's watching my palm at this point, and I can move the drone around and fly it wherever I want with just my palm. This is so cool. Let me go over this way a little bit. Okay, I can bring it down. I can slide it over to the right. I can slide it up again. Oh, this is amazing. So let's say I'm out trying to do a video and I'll put it up in the sky, like right there. Okay, so I'll take my hand down. Now I'm doing a video. Maybe I'm doing a vlog and there's a beautiful landscape behind me and I can talk and do what I have to do, and the drone will stay right there in the sky and keep me in the center of the frame. All right, so let me test a few other things. So I'll put my palm up again, and now it's tracking it. I'll put up 2 fists and I'll open 2 palms. And let's see if I can get it to come in. Okay, hold on. Now I'll make it go back. I'm telling you, it's like you've got the force. I'm telling you, you're like in Star Wars here, where you can hold up one palm and have it fly. Go this way, fly this way. Unbelievable. All right, so it's just that simple. I'll be out here all afternoon playing with this. Anyway, it's just that simple to get it working. And when you're done, just put your palm underneath it, and it lands right where it took off. And it's just that easy. So that's the gesture mode. It's just another feature built into the new Neo 2. I think they've done a tremendously cool job with this, and I still can't get past the fact that they're able to pack all that technology into a case that's about the size of a candy bar. It's just incredible. Anyway, that's one feature on top of all the other stuff that the Neo 2 can do. So hopefully you found that helpful. I've got a lot more content coming that covers this drone, so if you're a fan of the channel, make sure you stop back. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down there and join the Drone Valley family, because we have so much content coming. Plus we've got the 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas coming up, and you don't want to miss that. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.